These are the puppies. They're now 4 weeks old. They're getting around nicely. There's Peanut. Say hi, Peanut. Hello, Peanut. And there's Midnight. He's all black-faced. Hi, Puppas. And that's probably Oreo. Yep, Oreo. Lovely puppy. She's always happy. And last but not least, here's Rex, biggest of the crew. Hi, buddy. Hello. You can see they're very playful. What are you doing? You're wagging your tail. So happy. They just learned to walk, so they're still a little bit shaky. But they're all getting around now. Look at happy puppies. Happy wagging tail. Yeah, you gonna play with your brother? And there's Mom Roxy. Say hi, Roxy.